In this video, we will show you how to install the Omma app to a Philips device. Click on the Home button on the remote control. Press 1888 when you see the Home menu below. This action will open up the Android menu. Select Apps. Select Chromium. Go to the address bar of the window and enter the text you see below. The download will start automatically. After download, click Open. Click Install. When the app is installed, click Open. Register your device to Omma panel using a 6-digit token. We will back to this scene later. Now let's see how to register OmmaSign panel. Log into the panel using your credentials. Go to Devices. Enter the code and click Register. Enter a name for the device. Select a shop. At Omma, you can create shops, in other words, places, and locate your devices in these shops. This way, it is easier to filter and manage devices. For now, select the demo shop we have prepared for you to continue. You can change it later when you create your actual shops. Select the device orientation. Lastly, select the channel. Channels provide a thematic categorization for your playlists. Again, for now, let's select the demo channel to continue. And click Save. Great, you are all done. The device will download the media and start displaying the playlist shortly. Great, now let's get back to further settings. Go to Settings on the Android menu. Select Signage Display from the menu, then go to the Custom app from the right menu. Click Select App. Choose OmmaSign from Options, then save it. Press the Source button on your remote control. You will see source options on the left. Select Custom. Now your device will run the Omma app when it turns on. Thank you for choosing OmmaSign.